Domino jointer offers maximum joint stability with a complete accessory system built around it that allows for fast, accurate jointing possibilities. Existing joining methods are limited with application flexibility and also strength. The Domino system unites the precision of a round dowel, flexibility of a traditional flat biscuit with the strength of solid timber for the perfect solution for jointing applications. One of the main time-saving advantages of working with the Domino arises from working without complicated measuring or marking out, as the Domino is designed with precise positioning stops that allow for fast positioning of the mortise cut. A further advantage is the ability to process accurate joints in round and narrow timbers, as well as where accurate spacing of repeatable holes is required. The system accessories built around the Domino make these previous time-consuming applications quick and easy. So the Domino gives you a strong, stable joint, saves time with a clever tool design, and has a complete system to cover many joining applications. To keep yourself updated on Festool product information and applications, subscribe to our channel below.